Hello and welcome. My name's Guido Bonanni from ASL Real Estate.
And I'm Celestina Ramo.
Welcome to number 11 Chatfield Avenue in Capel Sound. Come inside for a tour.
This is an amazing lifestyle property, Henley built in 2001. We have 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a home office and a bungalow out the back.
They say the heart of the home is the kitchen. Well, this home must have a massive heart because the kitchen is a great size. We have off the kitchen area, we have the formal lounge and formal dining, complementing the informal family room and meals area. We have a fully enclosed rear yard for all the children to play for hours in an extremely safe space. We also have a service yard that you can park your boat, you can park your caravan. Not to mention the bungalow behind me. It sleeps 3, it's got its own bathroom, and adjacent to that, we have a games room.
Here we are on Chatfield Avenue. It's a genuine walking distance to the beach at the end of the street, and around the corner are the shops and restaurants.
Thank you very much for spending the time to take a tour of this property. Celestine, how do people get in contact with us?
They can give me a call on 0408 111 383.
Or you can call me on 0407 444 808. Have a lovely day.